Guys, so this trade want to move away from me because I have some scenario and criteria that I've made. So with the last previous balance we have 288, this price is moving. Let me just sell quickly. So let me go 1 2 3 4 at 5. Good. So SL will just be above right here, just at the top right here, and TP will come out from this trade very quickly. Okay, very quickly. Okay, so we have a previous balance of 288 from our part 1 video. Okay, our part 1 video, which is the challenge that we are doing from $100 to $10,000 account. And we have this how do you call it, this trade from last week. Okay, seems I need to add more positions. I need to add more positions to this. It's like I've reached my margin, so it's no more going. It's no more going. But we are going to come out from this trade very quickly. Okay, we are going to come out from this very quickly. You can see we have moved into profit. This one is going to be very quickly. Let's see. After this triggered, we will target below. Good. I just started passing account for one of my viewers. I pass profile for you guys. If that is what you need, you can just hit me up. You can see this is it. I placed this trade here too. Let's see how this is doing. You can see I've hit in profit already. It closed already, so just check history. This is our first trade on this 52 profit make right here. Okay, this is very, very quick. The trade moves very fast. That's why I was not able to paste this in my free group. Okay, but we are going to find an entry and enter again. So this is just very quick that we have to go about it. We'll find an entry again. So let me explain the trade. As you know what I trade, I always trade divergence. Price is pointing up, indicator is pointing down. Okay, on this chart here I use one indicator, but I've added additional indicator to check some things. Okay, so don't get confused. When you get into my mentorship, you understand why I have added new additional indicator. So if you are using my PDF, if you you bought my PDF in the previous times, make sure you chat me and ask for the reason why I added this additional indicator, because as time is going, we have to be doing what, adding up on this strategy. Okay, we can see massive profit going on from here. Let me close 2 of the positions. Okay, let me close 2 of the positions. Good. Why am I closing 2 of the position? This is an order block region. So when we take over this zone, then we can add additional position to it again. So let's wait and see how this will go. Okay, you guys, so we have break fully. You can see we came all right here, but I'm looking for an entry. My entry criteria have not met for me to add additional position, so I'm waiting for my entry criteria, more entry criteria, some candlestick patterns, and also for this particular indicator right here to come up before I enter again. So let's wait to see how it will go. Is it going to come up for us to enter? Is the candles going to show for us to enter? Let's wait patiently. Yo guys, so I have found another entry, so let me just quickly enter. Okay, so add additional positions to it. So this is what we have right now. Let's see how far we can take this as well. So more profit is raining. Okay, more profit is raining, and we are pushing to all over to this level. When it comes to 5 minutes, you can see there is an order block here. There is an order block here which has not been mitigated yet. Okay, so we are targeting this level. Okay, so let's see if price will move to this level. Okay, so let's wait patiently to see what happened. Yo guys, we are still smashing hard into profit. As you can see, we are moving. We are in $400 already. This is moving massively in our direction. You can see how we quickly use to transform or build an account. Okay, this is very nice. We have even almost going to double this account as well again. So we are targeting this level, this other block region. As price reach here, we are going to come out from this trade very quickly. You can see I have placed the order on the pro firm also for my guy. I'm passing this for this guy very quickly. I'm going to do this very quickly. As you can see, we are in massive profit right here, and I'm taking it very easily. I started trading it just today. As you can see the history, we just closed one trade. We just closed one trade. I started account freshly today. You can see fifth. I started it fifth. These are my first trade that I'm picking, and all is moving on well. So if you want me to pass a profile for you, just reach me in the comment section or chat me directly. My WhatsApp link is under the video description. Just hit me there. We can talk about it. If you're not ready, don't come. Okay, so see you right there. So back to the chart. As you can see, we are smashing, still smashing hard, still smashing hard. So let's quickly wait for this how it will go. Yo guys, quickly you can see the massive profit that we are running into. Serious one. The news favors quickly. So let's see the next zone. Okay, so the next zone is this target here, but I don't want to waste much time, so I'll just close this trade. Okay, I don't want to waste my time, so I'll close all. Close all. Good. So this is what I have. You can see how we are smashing into massive profit right here. If you want to join my mentorship and you are ready to learn, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and reach me direct message through my WhatsApp link under the video description, or just comment below you want to join the mentorship. See you guys in the next update. This is the part 2 video of the $100 to $10,000. So this is the second trade that we pick, which is our second tutorial of the $100 to $10,000 challenge. Okay, and we are now at $525. Okay, $525 now. So let's wait for part 3. See you. Make sure you learn something from this channel.